Hi guys, today we are going to Ikea. Today we are trying the contactless click and collect service that they offer, and we'll see whether it's really contactless. Okay. Ikea is now currently offering a free contactless click and collect service. It says on their website that the Ikea co-worker will then bring your goods to you in the car park, and that the new contactless click and collect service is free when you order online by 30th of June. Ordering online in Ikea website is quite easy. You just search for the product you want to order, choose the size of the product, and the quantity that you want to purchase. You will see whether it's in stock on your current location by entering your postcode, and then click Add to Shopping Bag and view your shopping bag. Choose Click and Collect and select the location of the store nearest to you, and then click on the Begin Checkout button. Optionally enter your Ikea family number or log in if you already have an account with them. Click Continue and choose your date and time of collection. You can scroll down at the bottom of the page to enter your billing and delivery details and click Continue to go to the payment page. Enter your payment details and click Pay Now. You will then receive an order confirmation email with your collection details and an instruction of how to collect your order. Ikea will send you a text message when your order is ready for pickup. Text collect to the number provided in the email, and they will ask you for the last digit of your order number. Then they will give you the counter number where you can collect your order. I would suggest to text the number first before going to the store. And now on to Ikea. As we enter the car park, there is no clear signage of where the collection point is, but we soon found out that it's in the entrance of the building. There is one near the showroom entrance and one near the market hall exit. Basically, you have to park your car near the collection counter that you received in the text. You will actually have to get out of the car. You will then have to queue at the counter, give them your order number and your last name, and wait at the side as they get your order from the store. The Ikea worker will sanitize the handle of the trolley before passing it on to you. You will be loading your items by yourself, so put on your gloves and have wipes that are ready to wipe down your items. So we collected our order in Ikea, but it's not really something that is contactless. You still have to go out of your car and pick your items up. They won't load it for you, and it's not ready when you come. So I would suggest for you to text the number from your order confirmation email before you come to Ikea, and you will have to queue up. If there are lots of people, you have to queue up 1.5 meters apart. The good thing is they will wipe off the handles of the trolley with a disinfectant, and then you will have to take the trolley to your car, load up your purchases, and put the trolley back. So be prepared to have your gloves, antibacterial wipes, and your mask so that you don't inhale the air around you. before entering the car. It's also a good idea to have